Hi, during this pandemic, many academicians are struggling to prepare video lectures for their students. Many are constrained with the bandwidth, or a few do not have idea how to prepare good videos without having large file size. So here I am giving you a brief tutorial how you can use your mobile phone, if you have smartphone obviously, to prepare a good quality video lecture without consuming much data. And even if your bandwidth is less, you can upload it on online streaming platform. So let us see what you have to do. So if you have a Redmi or Xiaomi mobile phone that might be having inbuilt screen recorder. Many Android phone nowadays come with inbuilt screen recorder. However, if you do not have one, you can install a screen recorder from Play Store. Here I am using a Redmi mobile phone. So with that I am giving you tutorial. What you have to do, you open your screen recorder, go to settings. In settings, first option is resolution. Default is 2340 1080. That may not be in your mobile phone if resolution of your screen is 720, because my screen resolution is 1080, it is full HD. That's why I am having 2340 1080 in the option. But if you have a screen resolution of HD quality, then this option may not be available. Then there will be two options. One will be for 720 resolution and another will be 480 resolution. So you can have this default, but that may lead to large file size. If you want to reduce it, you can go for 720 or 480 resolution. That should also give you a good quality video. Then video quality, there are multiple options in video quality. You will find that the options are 6 Mbps, 16 Mbps, 64 Mbps. I have chose 4 Mbps. That is a good quality. That will also give good quality. This is minimum. You may also choose 6 Mbps if it is not giving you good quality. Then orientation, set it to auto. Sound source, mic. Fixed frame rate 15 fps, this is the minimum. And it will give you good quality, because the technique I am going to give you is mostly independent of frame rate. Even if you have 10 fps, that will also give you a good quality video. Your video quality should not get affected. Then lock screen to the end, that you can disable. Show touch gesture, enable it, so that whenever you move your finger on the screen, a dot will be there, and viewers of the video will be able to see where you are pointing to. So it can act as a pointer. Visualize navigation button, off it. Go back to screen recorder, on it. So these are the few settings you have to do. Once you are done with the settings, then you can go to record your screen. Now let me show you something. Here there are two problems that I would like to give tutorial about, let us say. So what you can do, you can pen down those problems on a paper and take a good quality image of that. Put that image in a folder on your mobile phone, and then to screen record that, open that photo and start recording that one, and show that to your audience. Now here I have two problems that I want to show. This video I am recording in portrait mode. So you have to keep your mobile phone in portrait mode with your mobile angle should be a bit tilted. If it is horizontal, then maybe it is bit tilted towards landscape mode, then it may go to landscape, because orientation we have selected auto. So let us say this is the first problem you want to show. You can just zoom in, you can point to the lines of the problems, and there you can then you can actually show the different items in the problem, and that's fine. Then if you want to move to second problem, you can move to that, and if you want to zoom out everything, you can zoom out, and everything is perfectly fine, clearly visible. Now few things you have to note here. First, while speaking, the words should have some pauses. So after speaking a few words, a couple of words, you should make a pause. Then also you should speak louder, so that mobile captures your audio clearly. You may be having surrounding noise, that should get suppressed. If you don't speak louder, then surrounding noise may not be suppressed. Okay, so these are few techniques. This is first tutorial, and I am not going to edit anything here. I am just directly uploading it, and you will see what is the video quality and audio quality. And I have not disabled any surrounding noise. I am simply using my mobile phone's mic. With that I am recording, and that should give you a brief idea how you can use your mobile phone to prepare a good video lecture. If you have notes on your paper, you can just take snaps of that and screen record those things with your audio, and lecture can be prepared very easily. Okay, thank you very much. If you have query, you may let me know in the comment section. I would be happy to help you to resolve those problems. Thank you very much.